Okay, let's try a little bit more. I think what we could do actually is if we highlight this one, control that one, shift Y, 0, and that one, scale Y, 0. What can we do to that? Will that allow a supporting edge? E, F. It's making a bit of a pig's ear of this bit here, isn't it? We might have to cut the middle section out first. Right, so I'll left click on there, plus a couple of times until you get to this edge of the trunk line, do a P, separate by selection, and now we can call this one rear panel, spelled correctly of course, and this one we will just rename as trunk. Capital, not that it really matters, but right, so to one of them in there, one of them in there. Actually, do we need one of them? We could just, I need a gap there as well to be fair. Right, yeah. JJ, get it nice and close, and then come on, next one, just remove that edge. That gives her the gap. Let me put another one in there. We'll generally see a square. Oops. Wanted that direction. And one in that one. Now this one. Same again. Nice and close. You could just simply select that edge and GG across. GG. Slide them across. Next one. This may cause trouble putting this one in here to be fair. We shall check in a second. Put them supporting edges in there. I think this needs to be more of a point, so if we just move them over. Could do it for one in here, where will that go? Up around there. Not sure if that'll work. E. Might have to put one there also. Actually highlight both of them just so we can see where that edge there is there. There we go. Alright, so with the trunk spoiler, press slash on the number pad. I just need to create an edge for this. Ooh, could get away with something nice and quickly here. Highlight them too. F2 for edge, F again. So I'm going to leave a triangle at the top. What we could do then is we'll put one in there, tighten that up a bit. Highlight that one again, F. There we go. Oh, quite a nice edge on that mine, isn't it? And of course there's no severe edges, like sharp edges, infinitely sharp, like say a scalpel or anything like that on these sorts of items. So what we might need to do is, and then we still need to put one in here, the F, no. Highlight this edge here, slide it down because we're going to add another one in and it's going to tighten that up. Okay, and then highlight the middle one over there and that one. Then if we just do a GG and slide them up, that'll tighten that one up there. Although if we add that one in there, that's going to tighten that up as well. So sorry, Control Z that one. Put another one in here. E, F. As you press this E and F, it just aligns them to, I think it's the outside edge first, or then the opposite side. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Alright, that's looking quite good there. Slash to reveal everything else. Same with this one, highlight the spoiler panel one, slash on the keyboard. We'll just hide the mirrored version. Zoom in. Basically the same again. We could do with one of them in there, couldn't we? Right, so we'll go here. E. See how it's stuck on the shape of these outside ones here. So then if you press F, it's now took on the inside ones. So exactly the opposite to just what I said. As you pull these down, though, make sure these bottom ones move down also. See how they collide there. So just do that. Highlight them, deselect them. In fact, if you could just pull that one across, GG. GG. Just to tidy them up. Hopefully we can get away with this nice F2 for edge. Or we can go up there still. Hopefully you're just using the quick keys now. And then that should do that one and that one. And then that one, and it's going to leave her with that triangle there again. So if we put an edge in here, where's that going to go? We come down through here and cut through there. I think we might just leave that like that. And slide this guy across. Of course, what we could do, which I do prefer to do to be fair, is just stick a crease on there and put all smooth back on. You see what it does here though. How about a 40 on there? Actually, you know, that's not too bad. It gives it its own lip, but then it stuffs it up around there. No, keep all smooth off. It just breaks everything sometimes. Saw something the other day where how you select all of these, and then drag through there, and then do a right click and go to shade flat. That gets rid of that surface. I'll put that back on so you can see it. Has this one got the same sort of issue? 3. this one as well. No. Invert them and smooth them. Oh wait, there you go. There we go. Excuse me. Don't like that one there now though. Fix one, destroy another. I like that and that, and then to do it, GG, slay them away. Just so it gets rid of that obvious edge. Middle that one there. Select the middle one there. And that one, GG. Go, oh, of course. It's going to leave out a little bit there, isn't it? See if this works. Just highlight them two. GG, slide them into that one. GG, back out again. Not struck on that. GG. See how much that's highlighted that there now. That's not annoying. Moving forward. Actually, let's have a look at this one. I have this one downloaded. Can't really tell there's any discrepancy there anyway, so, but I think that's satisfactory. Although I'm still not impressed by this bit, yeah. Don't make that mistake. Right, don't do this till I say it's okay. Just a quick check. Scale Y. No, let's say anyway. And that one, scale Y. Yeah. No. Can move this one up here though. Going to be a problem, isn't it? We can't keep using the excuse that it's post-apocalyptic and there's bound to be damage to certain items. That's just cheating, isn't it? Or shall we? Is it just that one? It just seems slightly out of place. And that edge is still quite visible. Of course these panels were never perfectly supposed to match, were they? It looks too much like it came out of the factory if they line up perfectly. Let's JD this one up here. Do the same for this bit. rest of them are all selected. Just that one. Make sure that one's unselected. JJ, just line them up. There we go, that'll do. Ooh, look at these. This might be why. As you drag select there, make sure you don't get the ones behind by accident. And GG. Line that up. Of course they aren't going to move. Are they? I'm going to risk sliding that just directly to the side. Yep, I am happy with that. You can faff on with it a little bit more if you wish. Maybe just bring these in a little. There we go. Right then. Oh, while we're on, let's quickly highlight that edge. Take the crease out of there. Why do we remember? Let's have a look at what we've got so far. Reminds us of a Trans Am for some reason. You know, the Smokey and the Bandit one. 67, 68 was it? Anyway, there we go. That's them two done. If need be, we can easily go back on a later date, but I think they're good enough for now. What should we do next? Anyway, we should catch you in the next one. Actually, control save, because I forgot to do that before and I had to redo a little bit on the spoiler, which was really annoying. Fell for me own. Control save. Right, so catch you in the next one.